What's up, everybody? It is Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois, and today I'm bringing you a new video on our new arrival 1970 Chevrolet El Camino. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this car. I'm going to tell you why it's special. First off, look at under this hood. You got a 5.3 liter LS engine with a turbo, single turbo. I want to say believe it's a 78 millimeter. I'm not sure. Around that ballpark. This thing runs great. It's got an Aeomotive A1000 fuel system. It's got the works. MSD 6LS, ignition controller, Edelbrock Victor Jr., ICT billet brackets. I mean, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum radiator. What more could you ask for? This thing is a street car and a half. You can drive it anywhere. It runs great. The paint is beautiful, the color on it. Love this color. All your trim is there, all your glass is there. You got really nice American racing wheels, painted or powder coated black. Black with the outside trim polished. Just looks perfect. This thing sounds awesome and runs great. On the interior, you got your stock bench seat. You even have your spare tire back there. You got a vinyl top, which is in great shape. Doors open and close beautifully. As you can hear, this thing just runs great. It's got a billet camshaft, turbo 350 transmission with a 3200 stall converter built. This thing, like I said, it's ready to go. You got your air-fuel ratio gauge and your boost gauge right there. It sounds great. Your heat does not work. Your horn works. Your wipers do in fact work. Your radio does work. We're inside, so I can't really get a signal. Radio does work. Let's try your lights and your blinkers. Your lights and your blinkers do in fact work all the way around. The engine bay is in great shape. I'm going to cut this car off for a bit and go over this thing with you. Now, the way you turn it off, you turn your key off, and you got your switches under here. Those are your switches. That's your switch panel. You got your 3-pod gauge, your tack there. Very simple here. And who said a car like this couldn't be simple? It's just done right and done nicely. Your engine bay is beautifully painted. There's your boost reference block back there. I mean, you got everything to make this combination work, and this car is just a blast to drive. LSX badge on the side. A few little flaws in the paint, just like a chip here and there, but other than that, it's in great shape and it shines bright. But, man, if you're looking for an El Camino, you could drive it anywhere and you want some power, this is the car. LS power, you can't go wrong with it. Let's lower this hood, give you one last look at this engine here. I'm going to have underneath photos on the website. Hold on, give me one moment. All right, so we got our hood closed. As you can see, it lines up nicely. Got that nice flat black over the cowl induction hood. Just a very nicely done car. Your bed is in great shape. They bed linered it. You open the tailgate, opens nicely. Everything's in great shape. Whoever built this car did a outstanding job, and they knew what they were doing. Like I said, very simple, but done right. And it's hard to come by that. You get your storage bay there. Just a very nice example of one of these cars. Business in the front and party in the back. If you are interested in this 1970 Chevrolet El Camino, please give us a call at 847-848-1850. We have around 250 cars in stock at our beautiful warehouse. Here it is. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. We offer special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. We have a full service center for anything you want taken care of. Talk to your sales representative for a quote. Otherwise, our cars are sold as is. Visit the website, mgmclassiccars.com. Review the inventory. Keep an eye out. We get new cars in almost every day. Remember, folks, this thing sure looks good here. It'll look a whole lot better in your garage. I hope to see you come out, get the car that you've always wanted. Take another look at that interior here. Just in great, outstanding shape. Thanks everyone for watching, and I hope to see you soon here at MGM Classic Cars. Mr. Jenkins out.